Hi guys, this is how to chemical cleaning. See, it's coming the bubbles going to the this is the AC compressor. This is the sikat. It's the masculine. So from other side, this is Western Hermana. They changed the heat exchanger. See? Together with me. Hi guys, it's so tight today. So look at now I have it's busy now. It's busy. It's busy also for Mr. Hermana. Oh my god, too much tight today. This is time to chemical cleaning on the yacht. Now they remove the hose because too much barnacle this hose, so need to. Oh my god, so dirty. Oh my god, see, my god, my god, my god. This is number one. Oh my god, what happened, why you punch your head? Oh, like a snake. So you changed the new one or only cleaning?
Cleaning.
Okay. Making sure all brother is condition, huh? Because my boss, he want always no problem on my boat, because if you go to the sea, nobody one there can repair. This one is so much difficult, no? You need too much open. See? It's much. And then now the weather is so very hot, so my boss, you want that very good condition AC. You want the cold one. This chemical cleaning is they do something dirty in the hose or the tube, and then they will rotate there, going to that all the pipeline, and then going again here to make it circulation, and then all the very dirty on the inside the hose they can remove already. Now it's a good condition. Now my AC. Thank you so much, Cesar Marine #1. Hi, welcome to my vlog. Say hi. Yeah, this is my vlog.